With Father's Day right around the corner on June 16th, this is a perfect time to do some last minute shopping for Daddy Dearest. And this year, we're not just gonna get him any gift. No more socks, no more ties. My dad has so many socks and ties that he's giving them back to me. So we're gonna get him something really special. So without further blah blah, here are 5 gifts for your Asian dad. Gift number 1 for Father's Day, pressurized rice cooker. So this is more than a regular rice cooker. It's got 12 settings. It makes 6 different things: soup, broth, meat stew, cake, egg sauté, rice, and multi-grain porridge. It cooks things very quickly and efficiently. And, not gonna lie, it's pretty good. So this is a perfect gift for dads that are on the go and don't have time to cook. Father's Day gift idea number 2, the alcohol gift basket. As you know, there's not a whole lot in common between me and my old man besides our love for alcohol. So this is a perfect gift because, like, you drink, he drinks, everybody drinks, have a good time, right? So what is an alcohol gift basket? Basically, it is exactly what it sounds like. It's got alcohol and goodies combined together in a basket form. It's a perfect gift for dad. One of my favorite websites to go to is called thebrobasket.com. As you can see over here, they've got whiskey, bourbon, tequila, Crown, vodka, Jack Daniels, and all kinds of varieties. So this is perfect because your dad might like whiskey, mine likes vodka, some people like Irish stuff, and then other people like gin and tonic. As you can see over here, there's even like non-alcoholic stuff like care packages. The price is very affordable, so definitely check it out. I think it's makes a great gift. So if your dad enjoys getting shit-faced and arguing all the time at the table with random strangers, this is a perfect gift for him. Father's Day gift idea number 3. So I know this isn't for everyone, but Academy is having a great deal on their firearms. So basically you get a pistol and a rifle for just $279. Like I said, this isn't for everyone, but if your dad likes to play Rambo during his free time, this will be a perfect gift for him. I know the gifts I mentioned before are a little bit pricey, so if you're balling on a budget, you're gonna love this next one. So moving on to number 4, it's a Love Pop card. So a Love Pop card is a card that opens up and it has a little origami thing that pops up. So I got one of these cards for Mother's Day and she really loved it. And let me show you, there's a huge selection of whatever, that your dad might be into. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something that your dad really likes on these cards. And best of all, these things only go for $13, so it won't break the wallet or the bank. Last but not least, at number 5, is to give your dad a hug. That's right, a hug. I know that from first-hand experience that Asian dads don't really like to show affection or emotion towards their kids. So what better way to show your dad that you love him and care for him than with a big ass hearty hug. And if you're feeling feisty, tell him you love him. Maybe a little ass squeeze, or maybe a peck on the cheek too. Now, he might just slap the shit out of you or beat your ass with a spatula, but it's definitely gonna be a Father's Day that he won't forget. And with that being said, that's my video. Let me know in the comment section below what you're getting for your dad. I hope he likes your gifts, because if he doesn't, then you can blame it on me. Yeah, adios muchachos, that's it for me.